So I've been looking for a long time to get myself a wireless charger for my E46 because I hate cables in my car and I didn't want to have something hanging from the air vents. Previously I was using a charging pad that was hanging from the air vents and it was fucking annoying. I've got an Android unit and it was basically blocking half of the display and they had a cable laying around, which I hated too, so I started to look online what could I get for my E46. So basically what I found online was a company Inductive that was selling a charging pad with a cup holder. So that was basically what I was looking for. No cables, OEM cup holder still there, the only one that's usable anyway. But the problem with Inductive was that it was just too pricey and I didn't want to pay that much money for just a fucking charging pad. So I kept looking online. So I found this company called Exact Designs, I think. They basically make wireless chargers for E-series BMWs, and they recently actually started making one for the E46. So what drawn my attention was the price, because it was half the price of the Inductive one and basically it looked the same. The only difference is that it's 3D printed instead of molded plastic like the one from Inductive. So because of that, you have some small fitment issues. There's basically a small gap, but in comparison with having no stuff hanging from your fucking air vents, that's much better anyway. So let's see what we got. Let's see what's in the package, and then I'll show you how to install it. So in conclusion, would I recommend it? I would say yes, definitely, because the main issue, for me at least, was that I didn't want to have cables laying around and stuff hanging from the air vent. Yes, there's a small gap, but it doesn't bother me. And to be honest, it's just very convenient for the price you pay. As for the charging speed, it says it supports up to 18 watt. But I never actually experienced it. Maybe if your phone is like that, it will charge the first 20% with that speed, maybe. But I've been using it for a month now, and what I can say is the charging speed is around 5 watt, realistically. If you use the navigation with music, CarPlay and all that stuff, it still charges the phone. You'll get like 1% every 10 minutes. However, if your battery is very low, it'll actually charge faster. I once got my phone from 10% to 20% in like half an hour. But overall, I'm still happy because it charges my phone every time it's in the car. And that's basically what I wanted. So the only downside I would say is the fitment. What I've also noticed is that the phone can get a bit hot sometimes. As for the car battery, it doesn't drain it when it's off. I mean, it takes power from the cigarette lighter, so it's always on. And if you put your phone on the charging pad when your car is off, it will still charge. But I haven't had any issues with leaving the car for a few days. So overall, should you get one? I mean, if you don't want to pay the premium for the inductive charger, this is a good alternative. It's half the price, charges the same. There's a small fitment issue. It solved the biggest issue for me. I don't have any cables anymore in my car. I don't have stuff hanging from the air vents in my car. And that was basically what I was looking for. And I can still charge my phone in my car. So for me at least, it's definitely worth it. Maybe someone is looking for a wireless charger for their E46 and this is a good option. So if this video is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.